keeping her out of cheerleading, is it?
No, she hasn't missed any practice, no, but he's always waiting for her, you know.
After school?
Yeah, exactly.
Is he playing ball?
Yeah, he plays ball.
So what you been doing all week?
Well, I've been doing some babysitting, and there's a family down the street.
But after practice, he's not coming home. He's not
Can
coming
you tell
home
if he's
right
doing
away.
anything?
I
Is he
don't
coming
know.
home drunk?
His behavior's a little strange, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, visiting hours are now over. You'll have to depart.
Yeah, he's okay.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's
Get Joey, bring Joey in, would you please? I'm sorry.
careful.
I will.
Yes, sir.
Come see me next weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Going in.
You're about to see the correct way to conduct a strip or visual search. First, the initial verbal command is important. It makes a difference. Be professional.
All right, Jones, come with me for a strip search.
Come on, man, I don't have anything on me.
Come on, you know the routine.
Next, conduct the search in private if possible.
Okay, let's empty those pockets. You got anything in your pockets?
Be sure the contents of the pockets are
Okay.
placed out of reach.
Take off your clothing, please.
Place the clothes out of reach. Watch the inmate at all times. This is a most vulnerable moment. You've just asked someone to undress in front of you. Proper, courteous verbal commands are essential.
Okay, tilt your head down. Vigorously run your fingers through your hair for me.
Look
Okay, from the back
carefully.
to the forward.
Remember, a small envelope,
Good.
key, or papers may be taped to the scalp
Okay,
and
head up.
covered.
Okay.
Be sure nothing is in the hair.
Okay, let's take a look at your ears. Pull your ear forward for me. Okay, a little bit up. Okay. Okay. Other side. Okay. Move
It
the ear
helps
for
to
me.
explain what you're doing so as not to unnecessarily
Okay, good.
startle an already
Okay.
anxious inmate.
And check inside your ears. Okay, other side.
Be sure nothing is in the ears. Capsules and tiny containers have been found.
Okay. Put your head back for me, please. Look at your nose.
Capsules, containers, and even small hacksaw blades have been found in the nasal passages. Look carefully for anything unusual.
Okay. Got any dentures, any dental work? No. Okay. Open your mouth. Okay, wide. Okay, stick your tongue up. Okay, stick it out. Okay, lower your lower lip. Pull it out and lower it down. Good. Okay, the upper lip. That's good. Okay, good.
Notice the officer does not touch the inmate. He only directs the search.
Both hands.
Remember, a calm, professional attitude is important.
Okay.
Keep in mind you're ordering a naked person to obey you. Be clear, alert, direct, and civil.
Okay, stick your hands out forward for me, please. Your arms. Okay, fingers wide. Okay. Okay, turn them over very slowly. Let's take a look at those fingernails. Okay. Okay.
Look for contraband hidden under the fingernails. Check for puncture marks or anything unusual. Keep this in mind during the entire search.
Bring your hands up for me. Okay, good.
Check the armpits. Take your time. Look carefully.
Okay, bring them down. Okay. Let's spread your legs. A little bit wider. Okay. Okay, lift your penis for me, please. Okay. Testicles.
If he's uncircumcised, ask him to pull back the foreskin. Be professional and alert. Remember, the inmate is feeling very vulnerable. Visually, check the front of the legs, down to the feet and toes.
Let's turn around. Okay, lift your right leg up for me, please. Take a look at those feet. Look at those toes for me.
Narcotics, stabbing
Okay.
instruments,
The other one,
notes,
please.
wire, and money have all been
Look at those
found taped
toes.
to the soles of the feet
Okay,
or
good,
under the
good.
toes.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna check your back.
Look at the neck, back, spinal area, and buttocks, where puncture marks may be evident.
Okay, bend forward for me, please, and spread your buttocks.
Look for anything inserted. Observe any constricting of the rectal muscles, which may indicate the
Okay,
inmate is
squat.
straining to retain something.
Okay.
You may see a thin string, indicating something
more
is there.
time.
If you have any suspicion, ask the inmate to squat
One more,
and
please.
cough deeply, which could dislodge it. If you're still suspicious, call for a medical search.
Squat for
You're
me.
not authorized to make any intrusion into the inmate's body orifices. A medical search is only conducted by medical personnel.
That's good. All right, you can stand up while I check your clothes.
Finally, run the handheld metal detector around the inmate's body. Then, search the clothes in great detail. Remember to pay close attention to seams and double folds of cloth. Show consideration by searching underclothing and socks first, and returning them to the inmate.
Go ahead and put this on.
Remember, do not deviate from what is appropriate and professional. Keep the inmate in view at all times. Strip searches are always done gender on gender. Except in extreme emergency, a female always strip searches a female, and a male strip searches a male. A female is searched the same way as a male, with two exceptions.
I need you to take your earrings off, any bands, any bobby pins, clips out of your hair, and take your clothes off.
The first is to ask the inmate to remove all clips, hair ornaments, bands, or hair pieces. These should be carefully searched. The second exception is the female breast area.
Now I need you to lift your breast.
Inmates must be asked to lift their breasts if you cannot see completely under them. Watch that the inmate's hand does not cover contraband
Okay.
taped under the larger breast.
Okay, you can drop them.
The rest of the
Turn
search
around.
is exactly as demonstrated for a male inmate. However, obese inmates, whether male or female, should be asked to lift or part folds of skin that you cannot see between.